Hello, my name is Stephanie Checchia, and it is May 26, 2022. I'm recording the introduction video for the anatomy class that I'm taking as a prerequisite for physician assistant school. I currently work in vitreoretinal surgery. It is like a really big passion of mine. I never realized that I would fall in love with the eye, but I did. And it's actually very interesting just reading the textbook and learning from what I've learned right now. It's actually finally connecting the dots and putting everything together, especially anatomy. It's really important for obtaining differential diagnosis, and kind of figuring out that, like, even though we all kind of focus on one part of the body, or for the most part, I would say, most parts of medicine focus on specific parts of the body, but everybody kind of has to know about the entire body because there's so many things that can be linked together. And again, it helps us maintain and like work through differential diagnoses. So again, I'm Stephanie Checchia. I want to be a vitreoretinal physician assistant. Um, Retina has so much technology and it's like beautiful. I've never like experienced something that you can actually fix in such like a obvious way where we can see it in imaging and we can see it also with the patient report and also their vision. So there's like objective and subjective measurements that's like really kind of beautiful. It pieces together so many of the things that I love, and I know I sound like kind of giddy and silly over something, but um, this is everything that I've ever wanted, and I didn't realize I was gonna find it in such a a later point in my life. Currently 33 years old. I'm gonna be 34 in August, so I'm not exactly young. But I'm really looking forward to like my future and really just like moving with the technology and essentially helping people. And I know that that sounds so silly because like everybody goes in it to help people, right? But like there's so many underlying things about medicine that truly make me happy. So, again, thank you and nice to meet you.